I would like to thank Eduardo Manalo and the Iglesia ni Cristo for organizing and mobilizing its members in today's prayer rally for peace. This is what our country needs in these critical times. Not impeachment, no waste of government resources, not self-serving schemes, no divisive action. We must unite. We must move forward as one. We must serve the people. I would like to thank all groups and individuals who have the best interests of our country and our people in their hearts for showing up to be counted all over the country. This participation in the prayer rally show that they know and care what is happening in our country today. Amid all this noise, let us be forceful and ensure the meaningful future for our children and our children's children. Let us demand what is due to our people.